A very good morning and Jai Hind everybody. We are studying the topic symmetry and we are doing the questions which are important from exercise 13.2. You can see question number 1 and 2 are diagram based related to 13.2. But question number 3 is you have to complete the table by writing the number of symmetry and also drawing the rough figure. Remember beta, this question you will not be able to do it in book. Okay, you have to do this question on your fair copy and I am telling you how will we do in fair copy. So the question heading will become like this: exercise 13.2, question number 3. Write it down. Draw the rough figure for showing the line of symmetry. I am changing the question beta. This is the question now, what I am writing. And in exam also you will get this type of question because now MCQ will not come. Exam is going to be offline now. So paper will be of 80 marks. So the figure will come to draw. आपको draw भी करना पड़ेगा and afterwards you have to write down the number of line of symmetry as well. ठीक है? So let's start how the question will come. Suppose the question comes equilateral triangle. If you must be remembering, I taught this yesterday also. Equilateral triangle is a triangle on which we have 3 line of symmetry. Okay, so how we will draw the rough figure? You have to draw the figure of triangle which should have all the 3 side equal. Okay, जिसमें तीनों side equal होनी चाहिए. So it means I have drawn a triangle. Now let us draw the line of symmetry. In this figure, the line of symmetry, one will be like this. One will be like this. And another one will be like this. So it means equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. Yes, Akshat. This question is done. Question number B from this question only. It is telling that you have to draw the rough figure of square and show that how many line of symmetry it has. So now we will draw the figure of square this time. So a square is a figure which has 4 line of symmetry and also it has all 4 side equal. So you will be drawing square properly. I don't have scale right now beta, so maybe my square will be little tilted or something like that, but the figure you have to draw with the help of scale. So one line of symmetry of square will be from vertical. Okay. Use a scale for drawing this. Another one will be horizontal. Then 2 more line of symmetry it has, which are diagonal. It means a square has total 4 line of symmetry. Yes. If you have seen the video, I have covered all these figures in that, है ना? So आपके पास इसके अलावा कोई question नहीं आएगा, है ना? All the figure we have covered already. Remember beta, if exams will be all offline, paper will be of 80 marks, 80. It will be of 3 hours. Okay, you have to do each and every question by writing. So please keep practicing of understanding everything and revising everything. Okay, you have already got the schedule of exam. And now COVID cases are reducing as well. So your school will open very soon. So please get ready for the exam, which will be offline. Now move on to the next one. After square, the next figure is given rectangle. So let me draw rectangle now. You have to draw all the figures, beta. So next question is for rectangle. So rectangle I am drawing now. Rectangle. Now we have to draw rectangle and show the line of symmetry into it. So this is rectangle. Now how many line of symmetry it has? We have already studied this too. Can you please tell me in the chat box how many line of symmetry a rectangle has? Yes, very good. It has two line of symmetry. One is vertical and another one is horizontal. Finished. This is rectangle also completed. After rectangle, we have next, that is isosceles triangle. This also we have done it yesterday only. I'm rubbing the square. Next is isosceles triangle. So D1 is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle on which two opposite sides are equal. So isosceles triangle you will be drawing like this, where two of its sides are equal. So this is, suppose if 6 centimeter, this will also be 6 centimeter only according to the isosceles triangle. So it has only one line of symmetry, which will be only vertical. So you will simply write it down, one line of symmetry. Yes, Gauri, you are right. One vertical. Now, after isosceles triangle, we have next figure, that is rhombus. Let us write for rhombus. I have taught this yesterday only. Rhombus also we have covered in that. If you have seen the video, you must be knowing it, that rhombus has only two line of symmetry which are diagonal only. Okay. Rhombus is like a figure of Kaju Katli. It has all four sides equal in length, but it is not square. Remember, huh? It is not square, but because square has all the angles also equal, but rhombus is not having angles equal. Rhombus only have the side equal. So diagonal line of symmetry it has. So this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. So rhombus has two line of symmetry and that is diagonal. Remember this. Okay, rhombus also completed by us. After rhombus, we have another one, that is circle, the last one. Can you please tell me how many line of symmetry a circle has? Tell me faster. We have also done that. How many line of symmetry a circle has? Very good. Absolutely correct. It has infinite line of symmetry. So circle ke liye I am just drawing a rough figure because I don't have right now compass and all. If you have bottle cap, please use the bottle cap for drawing the circle properly, beta, है ना? One line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry, four line of symmetry, five line of symmetry, six line of symmetry, seven line of symmetry, eight line of symmetry. There can be infinite line of symmetry. Yes. So our answer would be in this way, infinite. Okay. So this question number 3 is completed. Question number 3 is done by us. Now question number 4 from this exercise only. It is telling, can you draw? Can you draw का मतलब होता है that if it is possible, you have to draw the figure. If it is not possible, you will not draw the figure. So question number 1 is telling, can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry? So yes, just now we studied only that where we have a triangle named as isosceles triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry. So you can simply draw in the rough manner and write it down the answer, isosceles triangle. This question is completed. Question number B is telling here, can you draw a triangle with having exactly two lines of symmetry? Not at all. Remember, there cannot be any triangle which has two lines of symmetry. Okay, so remember the answer will be no in question number B. Question number C is telling exactly three lines of symmetry. Yes, three lines of symmetry we have. Two lines of symmetry, answer will be no. And three lines of symmetry, answer will be yes. And you are knowing the figure. Figure name is equilateral triangle. Yes, correct. It's equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle on which all the three sides equal. So it has three lines of symmetry. So yes, the name you will write it down, equilateral triangle. This is also completed. Now next question, the last one from question number 4, it is telling, can you draw a triangle with no line of symmetry? There is no line of symmetry. Can you please tell me, do we have any triangle with no line of symmetry? सोच कर बताओ. If you have seen the video, you must be knowing. No line of symmetry, जिसमें कोई symmetry नहीं होती. Yes, absolutely correct. We have triangle name as scalene, which has no line of symmetry. So I'm writing here, I am drawing the figure as well. This is the triangle and name is scalene triangle. Finished. This question is also completed. Now question number 5 is also the same like just we have done it question number 4. Question number 5 says that on a square paper, sketch the following. Now what you have to do is, if you have square paper right now, you can do it this question on square paper only. But if you don't have square paper, you can also do this question without using square paper. Okay, so depend on you. If you have square paper, do it on that. If you don't have square paper, do it like that only. Okay, Arav, you can do it on square paper. Fine. Question number 5, A1 is telling a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. You have to draw a triangle in such a way that it should only have horizontal line of symmetry. So हम एक काम करते हैं, ट्रायंगल को उल्टा बना देते हैं. ये बन गया हमारा उल्टा ट्रायंगल. ठीक है. अब now we can have a single line of symmetry, that is horizontal line of symmetry. So I am drawing this one. This is first one. Question number 1. Question number B is telling here is a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. I hope everybody must be knowing the example, that is rectangle, because rectangle is a quadrilateral with which have line of symmetry in horizontal way as well and vertical way as well. So it can be the figure like this. This is the second figure. Third one is telling here you have to draw a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. Okay, you have to draw a figure in such a way of quadrilateral with have only with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So let us draw this question as well. Question number C, horizontal. So you will be drawing the figure like this. Okay, You can see these two sides are equal, these two are little longer. So it has only one line of symmetry, that is horizontal. This is also completed. Question number C. Question number D is telling a hexagon you have to draw with exactly two line of symmetry. Now this time we should have hexagon. Hexagon is a figure which have 6 line of symmetry. So now let us draw a hexagon. One side, two side, three side, four side, five side, and this is six side. Okay, this is a hexagon. So hexagon has 6 sides. Now we have to draw two line of symmetry. So one will be beta this horizontal and another one will be vertical now. Okay, this question is also completed. Now move on to the last question. The last question is telling you have to draw a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So this time hexagon आपको फिर से बनाना है, but इस बार 6 line of symmetry होनी चाहिए. So what we will be drawing? We will be drawing a regular hexagon. So regular hexagon will be drawn with all the lines which should be equal length. ठीक है. So what you will be drawing, जब आप hexagon draw करोगे स्क्वायर पेपर पे, तो याद रखना all the sides should be equal in length. Somewhat my figure is not totally right because I am not using scale, but you have scale. Please measure it and then draw. ठीक है, measure करिएगा उसके बाद draw कीजिएगा. Now this question I am giving you as homework to you. In regular hexagon, how will you draw 6 line of symmetry? Now this question is homework from my side to you all. You have to draw a hexagon with exactly 6 lines of symmetry. Okay, we have completed students exercise 13.2. All the questions which were important. Okay, all the questions.